Like, what are these idiots doing?
Doing what we're supposed to do. We're having fun. And we're gonna shoot some faces. I'm gonna feel a hell of a lot better if I can fucking see out here.
Yeah.
Dude, that fucking fog sucks.
You wore your beanie!
I think I'll be fine with this mask.
Alright.
I think. We're gonna find out. Being a big old bitch today. I'm cold.
Yeah.
I didn't even bring my gloves either. That's gonna hurt when I get shot in the finger.
Yeah.
Dang.
I do notice though that my head is a lot cooler when I'm over there. You know, what the fuck?
Dude, this is another pile.
Yeah. Girl bag.
Fuck it. See any bodies?
Okay, so.
What does it look like over here?
There's a lot of people.
A lot of people over here.
Look, there's a guy in that building over there. Let me see if I can get him.
Oh shit.
Come on. Safety. Same like. Ooh. Oh,
holy shit.
That was a good shot.
That was good.
You got shot right in the mouth.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Let's break some.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What the fuck are they?
No? Oh, you don't want to go?
Sucks. Recent. Watch out, right there in that wood. Ooh, I got him.
Did you?
Yeah.
Hey, we're moving around over here.
Alright, let's go this way then. What are you seeing? Oh, I see.
You don't see anything
I see
except
one
for
right there in
our
that
guy
wood. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's
Oh,
open.
it's cold.
Here, careful. Yeah, it's cold as hell.
Oh, you're so close.
Wow. He's dumping on me.
Dropping bullets.
There he is.
You think you can shoot enough time for me to
Oh, I got him. I got him.
got him? That was so good.
I'm gonna risk it. Ready? Here I go. Ah! He saw me. I didn't know you could go in there. That's cool. Shit, are we getting took out over here? Oh, fuck. Where is he? I don't see him. I'm probably gonna get smoked. Oh no! Oh shit, I'm fucked. Right where that shit's at, bro. That's a hard shot right there. Somebody got him. Ah! Damn, that was good. Oh, we're in trouble. How's it going over here?
I can't shoot at all. My paintballs go like 5 feet.
That fucking sucks.
No. I can cover maybe.
Right,
maybe,
fuck.
that's a strong maybe.
Where are they at?
I
Probably
don't see them over here. I know there's one right behind the tail of the helicopter over here.
Oh, there you go. I know there's some over here. They're like right in the edge all the way around. I've been fighting with them. Watch your back. How's it looking over here?
Couple guys up there.
Wait, yo, I think they're inside this house or something. Maybe the window?
Oh, one's inside that building.
Which building?
Right there in front of you. God damn it. I got him, but fuck.
At least you got him. That felt good. Woo!